Hi all, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to unbox this Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 4. Let's get into the video now. It was a big world, Bobby, bigger. She need travel to the limit, speed run quicker. This is how the retail unit for India looks. Let's open it up. Let's take the band out. This is how the band looks. Let's keep this aside and see what else they have given in the box. Next in the box is a tracker charger. And last in the box is a user manual. Let's keep all these aside and see the smart band now. This is how the band looks. If you can see, it looks a lot like the previous band from Xiaomi. Even the strap looks the same. It is of a good quality material. This is made out of TPE material, and the tracker comes with an 135 mAh battery capacity with Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. Let's take this tracker out of the band and see how it fits with the charging module. If you can see, this is how you need to charge the tracker with this charging module. As you can see, it's not as secure as its previous charging connectors, but it does its job. Let's take the tracker out and place it in the strap. You need to use a little force to get it in, but it's a good way. Actually, you won't be losing the tracker during normal usage. Just a sec. Okay, I've placed it in the strap. Let's see about the display now. As I said earlier, this band 4 has 0.95-inch color AMOLED full touch display with 120 into 240 pixels resolution, and it has a 2.5D glass protection on top, so the display looks vibrant and colorful. It will be visible in daylight too. Now let's compare band 4 with band 2, which I have been using for past 1 year. I thought band 4 would be a great upgrade from band 2. So let's take the tracker out of the strap and see the physical comparison. Band 2 actually comes out of the strap easily, but band 4 actually you need to use a little force to get it out. Just a sec. Yeah, and now it's out. Let's see a physical comparison about this. This is how it looks. And obviously band 4 looks much bigger than band 2 due to its specification, and this is how the heart rate sensors look. And if you can see, band 2 has the charging port at the bottom, and band 4 it's at the back of the tracker. This is the physical comparison of both. Let's wear the band 4 in hand and see how it looks. And if you can see, this is how it looks. It really fits well. Strap's fitness may differ from person to person, but it fits really well in my hand. And it's been said that band 3's strap will fit band 4, so I just bought this third party strap from Amazon to check it. It's not an official one, but third party. Let's remove the tracker from this band 4 strap and take this out. Band 4's original strap looks really sturdy, but this third party one doesn't look that good. But let's check it out. Let's insert the tracker in the band 3 strap. Okay, it goes well. It fits really nice. No issue there. Let's wrap it in the wrist. Okay, and If you can see, it's really fits well, no issues there. You can use third-party straps for band 4, and band 3 straps really fit well then. Now let's connect the band with Mi app. Now let's connect the band with Mi Fit app. Go to profile and select our device. And that select band and give permission, and app will search for the band. Once it's selected, okay, now it's got connected. Let's give the pairing permission. Now it will get paired. Okay, it got paired now. Now it checks for any previous band settings, and nothing is there. Okay, this is the front page. It looks gives some details about the band. Let's go to the front page. This is how it looks, and the battery percentage has been displayed in the front, if you can see. Now let's see the bands option in detail. The menu option is it has a infinity scrolling, so if you are swiping up or down, it goes to the menu. First, if you can see status, if you select that, you can see the recent physical activity you have done. The next one is heart rate. If you select that, it will be detecting your heart rate, and you can see the heart rate sensor is working now. Okay, let's see the next option. Next one is workout option. In this, you can track the fitness data as per your individual workout, like outdoor running, or if you are doing treadmill, etc. It can even detect your strokes if you are swimming. And next in the menu is weather option. Selecting this, you can see the current weather, and this app will show you the next 5 days weather report to you. And coming back, next option in the menu is notification. In this, you can see the latest SMS you have received in the phone. Last setting in the menu is more option. In this, you can see first one is do not disturb option, and next one is alarm. In this, you can set 3 separate alarms in the band. And next is music option. If you are playing any music in your phone, you can control that with this option. And next one is just a minute. Next one is stopwatch, and next one is timer option, and next one is find device. With this, you can find the connected phone if you misplaced it. Next option is silent. Selecting this will put your phone's alarm mode into silent mode. And next one is band display. If you have selected any custom watch face in the band, this will reset that into default one. And the last option in the other option is settings option, I think. Just a sec. Yeah. In settings, you can see first one is brightness. This band has a 5-level brightness option, so 5th level will drain your battery to some extent, so I'm setting this into default mode. And the next one is lock. You can place a lock screen in the watch face, so if you want password, you can set it in lab option in Mi Fit app. And next one is reboot. This will reboot your device. And next one is factory reset. This will reset your band into new one. So after resetting, you need to connect it to Mi Fit app once again. And next one is regulatory information. This has various countries regulatory option. And last one in the menu is about device, and this will show the firmware number and Bluetooth address. And those are the options and features available in band 4. And now let's see the watch face feature of this band 4. For that you need to go to MIFI tab. In that select the band 4 and band display settings. Selecting that you can see the official available watch faces. You can even download the custom one. Now let's try this third one. Selecting this, you need to select sync watch face and it will start to sync. And now you can see the watch face is synced to the band. Now let's see the third party watch face app. Go to Play Store and download Mi Band 4 watch face app. Just a sec. Let's open this app now. Opening the app, it asks for permission, and you can see the watch faces available. There are these are more watch faces than the official MiFit app. Let's select this Mario watch face and see. Actually, you can do it in two methods. One is manually downloading it and replacing the watch face in file manager, or just clicking the download button. What it does is it replaces the original MiFit app watch face and replaces this with the current one which we have selected. Like it will be replaced. Let's check it. Go to the custom watch faces and select the picture which it has replaced. Selecting this and select sync. This will sync that Mario which we have downloaded, and it will be synced to the band 4. Now if you can see, this has replaced the custom watch face which we have downloaded, and this is how you can download watch faces. The options are numerous. If you like to set your personal picture as watch face, go to custom tab in band display settings and MiFi tab and select any of the custom watch face to change the background and sync it. Now let's talk about the battery backup. I started using it at 60%. Now if you can see, this is at 12%. I have been using this for past 8 days. Calculating at this range, it will last for 16 to 18 days for sure. Priced at 2299. If you are looking for a fitness tracker, or if you want to upgrade your current fitness tracking device, this is the fitness band to go for. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Satish. Let's see you guys in my next video.